In this question, an alpha particle is moving along a circle of radius r with constant angular velocity omega. A point lies in the same plane and at a distance 2r from the center. The point records a magnetic field produced by alpha particle. If the minimum time interval between two successive times at which A records zero magnetic field and that time is t, then angular speed omega has to be found out. So, the magnetic field will be 0 when the current due to this alpha particle is directed towards this point or directed away from this particular point. So, during these 2 points, suppose x and y, at x the magnetic field at P will be 0, when the alpha particle is at y, then again magnetic field at P will be 0. So, we need to find time taken to travel from x to y, and that time is given to be t. Now, how much is that time? We need to find it in terms of omega. As it is given Cp to be equal to 2r, so here from we can write this is radius and tangent, so angle is 90 degree. Let this angle is theta. If this is theta, the other angle, this is 90 minus theta. And this radius Cy is equal to r. From this triangle CYP we can write r by 2r is equal to sine theta, or theta is equal to 30 degree or pi by 6. So, the angle made during travel from x to y, if this particular angle is beta, then beta is equal to twice of 90 degree minus theta, or twice of 90 minus 30, that is 120 degree, or that is 2 pi by 3. So, to travel an angular distance 2 pi by 3 with angular speed omega, the time taken t is equal to 2 pi by 3 by omega, or here from we can obtain omega to be equal to 2 pi by 3t. So, angular speed in terms of time is 2 pi by 3t.